श्रीमात्रे नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं स्फ्रें मधुक्षमरवीं मधौं सक्षमरवीं सहोः स्वरूपनिरूपणहेतवे सुगुरवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुश्रीपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं स्फ्रें मधुक्षमरवीं हसौं सक्षमरवीं सहोः स्वरूपनिरूपणहेतवे सुगुरवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं त्वजिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत्। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहान्वितम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। गणानां त्वा गणपतिं गवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्त्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पदम् आनशृण्वन्नोतिभित्सेदसादनम्। ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपते नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसुमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसुमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसुमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसुमानय स्वाहा। गणपति Atharva Shirsham. So far we learned up to this point. Om Bhadram Karnebhih Shrunuyama Devah Bhadram Pasyevakshabiryajatrah Sthirairangai Stuštuvang Swastanobhih Vyasema Devahitam Yadayuh स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धस्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्ठनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पति दधातु। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अवभक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानोचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्। त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तत्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि। Now the new lines. त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं अवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं अवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुत्वं रुद्रस्त्वं इन्द्रस्त्वं अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमा त्वं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवः स्वरोम् त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णु त्वं रुद्रं त्वं रुद्र त्वं इन्द्र त्वं अग्नि त्वं वायु त्वं सूर्य त्वं चन्द्रमा त्वं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवः स्वरोम् त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुत्वं रुद्रस्त्वं इन्द्रस्त्वं अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमा त्वं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवः स्वरोम्. Normally we need to practice this line with one breath. You're all youngsters, try to practice, take a deep breath, and all the line should be told without any breathing. I mean, without any gaps. Try that. That's a good exercise for breathing. Okay? Now, Tvam gunatrayatitaha. Guna, quality. From here, the stages of sadhana are explained. What you need to practice, and of course, in the initial stages, I need to have a target. I need to have milestone. We used to have some project spreadsheet like this. What did I achieve in this month? As a spiritual, we all have project reports for, business and IT and school, colleges. Have you got a project spreadsheet for your spiritual? Raise your hand. Spiritual sadhana. Good. You need to have. Otherwise, you don't know where you are. When you know the target, okay, let me run. It's almost there, almost there. That gives you inspiration. Now this one, Tvam gunatrayatitaha. The three gunas are there. Of course, doing upasana on Ganapati, he is a Brahma Swarupam. And today I asked Sai Susarla, Rudra is Harta, everything Layakarta. Then how come I am asking Rudra, Sancha me, Magyacha me, Priyancha me, Nukamacha me, give. The one who is taking away everything, how are you asking Sudhinancha me, Bhamacha me, Mbacha me, Jemacha me, Maimacha me? May, please keep in me. Then we discuss, whatever God you pray, whatever energy you are doing upasana, you are still doing only on the Parabrahma. Is not limited. Rudra is for Layakarta, Vishnu is Sthitikarta, Brahma is Srishtikarta, Parabrahma is... These are all to understand. See, the whole vast energy, I may not understand. So I just take a sample, this one, and then I understand. Then I expand, then I expand, then I expand. Over a period of years or janmas, probably I may have to, I may be able to understand a little about Parabrahman, a little. So, here, Ganapati, even though it's a form, it's Lambodharaya, Ekadantaya, Vignavinasane, Siva Sutaya. How can Parabrahma can be Siva Suta? His father should be much more powerful than this Ganapati, no? Parabrahma's son is Parabrahma. And the one who is learning is Parabrahma, the one who is telling is Parabrahma. Nothing else other than Parabrahma. In that context, if you see, if you do upasana on Ganapati, the first thing you focus on Sattva Guna. He should be Gunavanta. Gunatita is something later. Gunatita. But he should be a Gunavanta means which Gunavanta? Sattvagunavanta. Sat. What is the characteristics of this Sat? Not the Sat. Sattvika Guna. That person who is focusing on the Sattvic Guna will try to be stable. Longevity in friendship. Longevity in the Guru-Sishya relationship. You don't change Guru once in a spring cleaning. You just throw this Guru away and get one more Guru. No, only one Guru. Longevity. Guru-Sishya. Friends, relatives, purity, clarity, peace, love, compassion. You know where? Very clear mind, stable mind, soft nature, compassionate. Bring all the qualities, good qualities you can think of. And that is Sattvic. I need to be Sattvic in that. When I am Sattvic, no colloquial, the materialistic dharmas can guide me. Because there are two statements. One is pertaining to the world, one is quite opposite to the world, which is spiritual. Nidaname pradhanam. That's one statement in Telugu. Slow wins the race. Alasyam amrutam visham. If you delay, the amruta also can become a poison. What way to go? Nidaname pradhanam. The slow is for your materialistic desire. Don't do a puja and immediately expect some result. Nidaname pradhanam. Wait. You don't know? There should be some time. That Ganesha is taking care of so many trillions of creatures. Your file will come. That way you understand in the spiritual, this thing, nidana. Materialistic desire is nidana. Alasyam amrutam visham. If you delay, if you ask me, when should I start doing upasana on Ganapati Guruji? This Chaturthi is already gone. So let us wait for next Chaturthi because Chaturthi is auspicious. That when you need to use this statement, Alasyam amrutam visham. That means, who is guaranteeing you that you will be there till next Chaturthi? Do it now. Rahu Kalam Guruji, that's fine, do it now. This is the two aspects of the dharma. So when you are in the sattvic nature, all these laukika dharmas, you just follow, but you have the mastery to go over and beyond the dharmas. This pure sattvic nature. All the yogis. We are all asked to get up early in the morning and then take shower immediately. But that person doesn't take shower for at least 3 to 4 months. Still you have respect and prostrate before him. Can you prostrate before a person who doesn't take shower for 3 days? That rule is not binding for him. Suddha, Suddha. Dharma, Dharma. There is no Asuddham, there is no Suddham. Again, mind is active. Indriyas are active. He is in the world. The best example we need to see, this is why I am focusing on Sattvaguna is, in this Janma, let us all, including me, let's all try to achieve the Sattvaguna. Gunatraya automatically comes. He will take care. We should not have Tamasic Guna. We all have Rajoguna. From that I need to come to Sattvaguna. So understand, I always tell the story of Kabir to the people. I remember this. My Guruji used to say, make a rule and break a rule. Meri marzi. But face the consequences. You are guided by the rules of your consciousness. That is the Sattva Guna. Kabir is so pious. So is his wife. Kabir would have been pious even his wife was not pious. That's an underlining factor. You can always say, anybody will be pious if the wife is also pious. There is no trouble in the house. You can say that. To cover that statement, even though wife is not pious, he would have been pious and sattvic in nature. One day, Sant log come to his house, always sharing. That is another sattva guna. Whatever you have, I practice even now. Whenever I eat, I'm not telling with pride, even in a train, except in the flight, because that culture is different. Even if you offer, nobody takes. But in the trains, anytime I eat, in the Peetham, I will not eat until I distribute a portion of my food to everybody around me. Sharing knowledge, sharing joy, sharing food, everything is Sattva. So, it's not enough if you just do bhajans and pujas, unmindful of the fellow being. Yesterday also I told, now that the lockdown is extended till May 3rd. And here is the guna coming. You feel, wow, thank you, it's a good news. I can listen to this satsang for more days. Is it Sattva Gunam? A tamasic gunam covering this with a cover of Sattva Gunam, because you are happy that the corona is not gone and many people are suffering. Are you understanding that? So observe your mind. I'm very sad. Why this has? Then the satsang will come anyways in a different way. But don't ever say, thank God, I wish this lockdown extend for June, July also. Please don't say that. We will do the satsang, but pray that the lockdown will be lifted on April 20th and relax gradually. So, what you think Sattva Gunam may not be Sattva Gunam. It's another illusion of mind. So, what you think puja is a Sattva Gunam may not be a Sattva Gunam, because you're not caring for the other person. So this person does the Nam Sankirtana. There is no Upadhi. There is only one Upadhi. You need to reduce the Upadhi. In the puja room, reduce the Vigrahas. Always tell. Just few. One is more than enough. Guru Paduka is more than enough. You do number of pujas for the Guru Paduka. That's fine. You see Lalita, you see Shiva, you see Vishnu, Ayyappa, Shanishwara, Rahu, Ketu, everything in the Guru Paduka only. Whatever. One lamp, Guru Paduka, excellent puja. Reduce the Upadhi. External. Mantra also. Sarvadeva Namaskaram, Keshavam Patigati. So, Pratigachati. This Kabir also only one Nama. Nama Sankirtana. Not Kirtana, Samkirtana. So the Sant Log has come. He asks his wife. Sant Log will come. He'll ask his wife, cook the food. I'm very happy. 30 people have come. That is another thing. Magnanimity. Trikala Puja. Trikala Sandhyavandanam, lakhs and lakhs of japam. In the spiritual field, magnanimity, and in the materialist life, simplicity is Sattva Gunam. In the spiritual field, magnanimity, alankarana. All the flowers on the Guru Paduka only. That's fine. And distribution of my wealth, magnanimity. So he says 30 people, and mine, you at that time, Kabir was not having a single pie in his house. Now comes another nature of Sattva Guna. Believe. Tom Kalatrayatitaha comes. He is not bothered about the next day. Again, it is an opposite for Laukika. Right? save for the winter. That's what they say. But Kabir, leave alone winter. Next moment he is not bothered. So in the Laukika Parijnana, he is a useless fellow. Tamil Vodavakaran சொல்லுவாங்க சேத்தகானி வாடு அந்த Vodavakaran தான் நல்ல spiritual person. That useless fellow is the best spiritual person because he doesn't use mind. Use less mind. That fellow, he says, I can't do, because everything is surrendering to. So all the statements are confusing. You need to take it in the right sense. So he asked his wife, cook the food. Now, wife, pious nature of wife, another Sattvic Gunam. Anybody now, and so many ladies are there. So there is no money in your house and your husband brings some gurus like me and his team. Come on, cook the food, Madhavi. At least namesake will you ask, what can I cook? There is nothing in this house. Will you say or not? Yes or no? Raise your hand. Be honest. Sattvic Gunam, honesty. Yes, I will also raise my hand. I want to give company to you. Don't worry. We are all one. But that lady is in the history because she never opened her mouth. Again, Pativrata Lakshanam, dharmic principle she is following. Again, you see the story. Sattvaguna is you can speak for what is Sattvaguna is a big subject. And we can speak for hours together. See, here she's following the Pativrata principle as laid down in the Manu Dharma Shastra. But in a later story, it will be totally different. She says nothing. She goes to the provision store. She asks for the groceries. And the owner of the store says, already you have so much juice. I won't give. She will request, Santlog has come. My husband will be very sad if I don't feed them. Looking for the happiness of the other person and spending your life, your energy for the happiness of the other person is Sattvagunam. Tanakayushu tanakaryugyam nachinni potta Sri Rama Raksha. I just eat myself, live for myself. All this wealth is only for my family, grandchildren. No. She wants to see her husband happy. For that, no ego. Surrenders to that fellow who is nothing. Please give me. Then that fellow is having a crooked mind and having a mean physical desire on this lady. He says, I'll give you, provided you fulfill my desire now. Again, one more quality of Sattvagunam. Whatever may be the other person saying, whatever may the other person induce you, you should be stable. I told you, stable mind. Normally, any person will say, Padap, one. No. She says, sorry. But one thing, I understand. I'm not blaming you. For giving the grocery, you need to get something in return. And you are asking me the most valuable thing. That's fine. But I can't fulfill the desire of your desire now because after that I cannot cook for the Sant log, pious log. Let me go back and I'll come back to you. That fellow is not having Sattva Gunam. He is more lower than the Tamasic Gunam. He says, how can I trust you? Go back and come again? People thinking that the world is bad are lower than Tamasic Gunam. Then she says, I am the wife of Kabir. Feeling great about you, self-confidence, is another Sattva Gunam. Atma Nyunata, ego. Between that, you need to maintain. Ego and self-humility. Looking down on you should not be there. So, she goes, she gives the groceries, she goes, cooks. Santalokas are happy. And then Kabir is happy. The happiness, he sheds tears. Then his wife will ask. Wife also sheds tears because she has to go to that shop to fulfill his desire. Then he thinks that she's also happy. You're also happy, no? Then she tells her husband what has happened. Another quality of Sattva Gunam, boldness, courage. Facing the reality is Sattva Gunam. Not hiding the truth is Sattva Gunam. She would have gone without telling her wife, no, this is what. Now comes another quality of Sattva Gunam from Kabir. He doesn't get agitated. Tell me which husband will keep quiet after listening this word in this present situation. That's why I'm very scared to tell this story in the present situation. People may abuse me. What kind of culture is it? What kind of rules, morals? Where are they? That's why Sattva Gunam, we are all in the Rajo Gunam only. Sattva Gunam is beyond our thinking. It's not like being calm, talking less. It's not Sattva Gunam. Beyond that. So he says, what is there in it? Shantam is another Sattva Gunam. Patience, peace, forbearance, Sattva Gunam. He says, what is there in it? You have to repay, no? And Dahete iti deha, shirite is, what is this body? It is useful for somebody. Let us go. Can we be like that? Big question mark. So he goes, takes his wife, and raining, night time, there is an umbrella. He tells, go inside, I'll just do my japam. Later on, we can both go home. He sits on that steps and starts reciting Ram, 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 Ram. When she goes inside, let's owner ask, how did you come in this late night and rain? My husband dropped me. This is a startling news for him. Your husband? Where is he? Right in front of your house. When he opened, these are wonderful words I like in this story. Height of Sattva Gunam is exhibited in this story. He says, pardon me, if my sitting here and doing japam is a disturbance for you, I'll go to the opposite house and sit. I'm extremely sorry. This is Sattva Gunam. And of course, that fellow falls on his feet and becomes a disciple. That's a different story. With my good character, I'm able to change the lifestyle of another person. That's an effect of Sattva Gunam. That is Sattva Gunam. So you bring happiness to the other person, not only persons, community, by mere presence and mere lifestyle, and that is Sattva Gunam. Not any one particular good habit of kindness, talking low, slow. No, it's a completeness. Now comes to Rajo Gunam, variety. This Sattva Gunam person can be on one chapati and one glass of milk for years together. Same curry you cook, they will not complain. That is Sattvic stability. But the Rajasic Gunam, every day same chapati. Come on, change. I need something new. Who can eat all these things every day? We all say that, right? Every day same food. That is Rajasic Gunam. It needs variety. That's why it finds fault with these people around and move away from them. Making friends, making enemies becomes a habit of their life. It's a mixture they enjoy. They want variety, emotions, ego. Workaholic is also Rajasic. I am doing. If somebody says, why are you not praying? Oh, if we pray like you, who will take care of the family? The Rajasika Gunam. Rajo Gunam. You donate 10 rupees to an organization and you tell 10,000 people. You know what? I'm against popularity and publicity, but I just need to tell you to inspire. I donated 10 rupees to that organization. 10,000 people you tell. That is Rajasika Gunam. Feeling great about that. And partially putting the credit of your success to yourself. And that time you forget there's one thing called supreme consciousness. That time you are dead. That time you are dead. But of course, one good thing is, with the ego, you try to be unique and try to get good name and you help the people. That's a different thing. But you're helping, but you're not helping yourself. Rajogunam. Tamogunam. So you're helping and giving, bringing happiness to the people by offering something. This is Rajogunam. Donation or work, shrama, the physical, moral, everything, activity oriented, variety minded, unstable, yearning for always changes. Oh, if you have a job from 10 to 5, it's boring, same job. And Ganesha listens to you and gives you a project manager where you have to be in different meetings, and right from 5 o'clock till 10 o'clock in the night. Oh my God, such a workload. I wish I have a stable job, 10 to 5. This is Rajogunam. Now, fortunately, most of us are not in the Tamogunam always, but maybe going to the Tamogunam sometime. And the Tamogunam is the two characters, one broad nature. Atmahimsa, Parahimsa. These are the quality of Tamogunam. You hurt yourself and hurt others also. In the name of hurting others, you hurt yourself. You get angry on that fellow, you stop eating. You're hurting. But your hurt is not important. You want to hurt that person. I know that reply will hurt him. It is Tamogunam. I'm killing myself. Lose-lose situation. Win-win situation. Beyond that is Sattvagunam. Win-lose or lose-win sometimes is Rajogunam. Lose-lose situation. Jealousy, anger, hatred, envy, laziness, procrastination, postponement, depression, looking down on you, incapacity, finding fault with everything in the world. That is why one of the politicians called Cho, he's no more, Cho Ramaswamy. Anybody knows? In Tamil Nadu, Cho Ramaswamy, he said, our country, the threat to our country is not from terrorists or anybody, but people who don't take care of their families, who don't work, but sit in a tea shop and drinking the tea purchased by another friend and criticizing the decisions taken by the leaders. In the naadu urupadadpa, waste. Who is Modi to? That's very wrong to extend the lockdown for 3. No. If I would not take the decision, what happens to the economy? These kind of unnecessary, useless talk, that is Tamasika Gunam. Criticizing the world, finding fault with the world. World is Narayana Swarupam. How can I fall? So, now, I think I spend more time on this Sattva Rajos Tamo Guna. Because I want you to understand, I was constantly thinking for so many years,
Sattva-guna is not being calm, being, kind. It's something else. No rule will tie you down. That's why no caste feeling for me, no religion, nothing. Anybody can recite Lalita Sahasranama. Anybody can do Navavarnachana. Many people may be against me. That's fine. I'm not guided by them. So, gunatrayatitaha sattva-rajas-tamo guna. Beyond the guna, once you worship that entity which is beyond the guna, in that worshipping or upasana, all you have to do is focus on the sattva gunam. For that, you need to eat bland food. Write down if you want. How can you maintain sattva gunam? By using external upadhis. Initially, we need that. Try to eat as much as bland food, leafy vegetables, the vegetables which don't have much of starch in it, like potato, like that. Healthy, organic food. And eat less and stop eating even though you feel a little bit hungry, and eat at correct time. No, as per rule, I'm telling, if you prepare food in the morning, that sandhya is over, 6 o'clock, after that 6:30 sunrise, you need to consume it before noon time, madhyanika sandhya. Otherwise, it loses the energy. But unfortunately, I've seen in many Western world, the wife goes for vacation, they cook for 15 days, small tin. Date of manufacturing will be there. And this fellow takes from the freezer, puts in the microwave and eat. This is perfectly a tamasic food. Eat. No food can be consumed after the night. Night is asura. All the negative energy will be in that. If you want, just distribute that when it is good in taste. If it is not good, just throw it out. I find many people smelling the food. Oh my God. Give it to the servant maid. She will eat. They will eat anything. This is tamoguna. So, fresh food. No masalas, spices, onion, garlic. These are all medicines. Medicine should be consumed only in small quantities. That's fine. But because it's a multivitamin, you cannot have this much multivitamin and eat like peanuts, right? Medicine is medicine. Then why you are eating onion and garlic, the medicine like peanuts? It will help only tamasic. So, these food habits, number one. Then the dress we are wearing, that also helps in maintaining. If you need to have at least 2 pairs of dress. I think all of you have at least 2 pairs. Right? Yes? So, you wash and then only, no question of, because it's very, it's iron neat. You put it in a hanger. 1 week, same dress. No. It assumes some vasanas. Vasana not smell. There are energies. And that may act on you. God, by God's grace, I won't wear anything that I wear today, tomorrow. And for that, my people also help. My wife, my team helps me. Of course, it's not my credit. They take care of me. So, the dress you wear, keeping yourself fresh, and most important, these are all external. Every day you need to be in silence for at least half an hour to 1 hour. They say, what is your age? Suppose Shivakumar he may be 48 or 52. I don't know. So 52 You're 48 or 52? I'm just kidding. He's only 30 plus. So that many minutes he has to meditate. That's the rule. And meditate in the sense, not doing japam, just sit, relax, no mantra, nothing, observing the thoughts. Can you do that for me, please? It'll help you a lot. I'm in trouble. I'm 66. I need to sit there for 1 hour. I wish I'm 4 years like my grandchild. 4 minutes enough. So many minutes you need to keep quiet. Then when you are keeping quiet, the indriyas are active, but at ease. The mind is also slowly coming. Mind is like this. When you are sitting calmly, it won't stop, but it'll be a beautiful dance. This curve causes you stress. Tamasic gunam, it may be like this. There is no equal gradient or equal length of the curve. And that produces different energy, which is not good for your health, mental, physical. But when you are meditating, it will be slowly coming to a beautiful curve like this, sine curve. It produces electricity, energy. So, external food, the dressing habits, and a disciplined life. That's the main thing. A disciplined life. And you make your own rules. Getting up early in the morning, going to bed early, reciting the mantra japam, everything helps you. So, Tvam Gunatrayatitaha, Ganapati will help you to move above Sattva Guna. But it's your duty. Again, I'm going to the Advaita Sthiti, duality. As a human being, Daiva Mahanikam, just like Daiva Mahanikam, we are also having some dharmas. I need to do that. So I need to maintain my Sattva Gunam as long as possible. Tvam Avastatrayatitaha. What are the avastas? The state of mind. Jagrad avastha, Swapna avastha, Shushupti, Turiya, Turiyatita. 5 avastas, 5 states of mind. Jagrad avastha. And many people think that Jagrad avastha means when you are waking, right? And then Swapna avastha means nicely dreaming about somebody or some unfulfilled desires. Or a desire of killing somebody also in unfulfilled desire, that fellow, you'll kasa, you will kill him in that desire, in your sleep. Desire need not be sattvic, tamasic also. And then sushupti, where your mind also sleeps. But in the waking state also, you can experience dream state and sushupti sometime. We don't know. That's where the Kalatriyatita comes. So Jagrata Avastha, senses are there, Indriyas are very active, mind is highly active, everything judgmental, analytical. The complete results will be, given to you. It's a busy office. This is called office for me. Fax is there, telephone is there, speakers are there. Faxes are coming here, information coming from the world. Isn't it a business room? They're very busy. That is Jagrata Avastha, where you have a choice. I don't want to go there. I want to be here. Desire is there. Choice is there. You think you are the king, but you don't understand that you are worse than a slave in the hands of Indriyas and mind. You think you are making a choice, but the mind is forcing you to make a choice, and the Indriyas are also, you are sandwiched between Indriyas and mind. So sandwich is Jagrata Avastha. Right? How many people like sandwich? Nobody likes sandwich now. You raise your hand, Chanel. So you like this sandwich? Getting sandwich between Indriyas and mind? No, I don't want. I may not have a choice, but I want. This is not freedom. This is slavery. Okay. Jagrata Avastha. Sometimes in the Jagrata Avastha, you'll be sitting, doing nothing. I wish I had gone to a vacation in Switzerland, Netherlands, the tulip garden. And you go. Swapna Avastha can be experienced in the Jagrata Avastha. Somebody will be doing like this, you won't even know. And if somebody don't pluck the flowers. Where are the flowers? There's nothing. You are in the dream state in the Jagrata Avastha. When you are going into the future under the influence of mind to fulfill your unfulfilled desire. To fulfill your unfulfilled desire. So the Swapna Avastha, your Indriyas are at rest, but mind is active. How to put the mind at rest in the Jagrata Avastha? Now again, Avastatrayatitaha, this is the beauty. They have Gunatrayatitaha, first is Sattvaguna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna. And I need to keep myself in the Sattvaguna. Whereas Avastatrayatitaha, Jagrata Avastha, Swapna Avastha, Sushupti Avastha, as far as possible, I need to be between Swapna and Sushupti. Not Jagrat. Jagrat not about the external world, Jagrat about inside. There are two things, Upavasa and Jagarana. We do twice in a year. Vaikunta Ekadasi and there also we distributed equally. We are scared of both, no, Hari and Hara. One for Hari, one for Hara. Shivaratri. As if rest of the time we can forget about it. What is Jagarana? 24/7 you have to be Jagarana. Jagrata Avastha only. Jagrata Avastha about inside is equal to Sushupti Avastha. Dreaming about the outside world, even though it's Swapna, is worse than a Jagrata Avastha because you are enjoying an illusion. So I need to keep myself between Swapna and Sushupti. That's why I am Jagarana means I am alert what is happening inside. And Ganapati makes me do that. In the Jagrata Avastha, how you are protected from the senses and the effects of senses and mind is frequent japa. Frequent japa. Japa is the only thing. Focus on japam. Rituals slowly reduce. Slowly reduce the rituals. Increase the japam. Trust me, it will work. Don't have fear, oh, daily I am doing tarpana, daily I am doing homa. If I leave that, somebody will be not happy. No. I'll tell them. I know them for so many years. I can just tell them, leave. Don't mind. But japam, as frequently as possible. No condition, anywhere. Chalte, firte. Your body should be a mobile temple. That will protect you in the Jagrata Avastha. Swapna Avastha, before going to bed, anyways, must and should recite a prayer or a japam and slowly doze off. Then, even though the mind is active, the last transmission made to the mind is the name of Lalita Parameshwari or Vishnu. And under the control, who is Lalita Parameshwari? Mantrinyamba Virta Vishangavadatoshita Vishukra Prana Harana Varahi Virananita. This side Rajashyamala, this side Varahi, and in the center is Lalita. You think about that heroine who is having two friends on either side, automatically this mind will be under control. It will behave because Ankusha is there. This is how you control your mind in the Swapna Avastha. Sushupti is beyond. Sushupti, mind is also in sleep. You don't know what is happening. In the Swapnavastha, you don't have a choice. You will be driven away by mind. In the Jagrata Avastha, you have a choice. In Swapnavastha, you don't have a choice. That's why you experience those things which are not liked by you in the Jagrata Avastha. You do certain things which you don't do normally in the Jagrata Avastha. Many people will have, they go naked in the market, or they are falling from the sky. All such funny dreams you get because of the unfulfilled, suppressed emotions, disappointments in life, all the karmic, the expressed karma and suppressed karma. Both have to be, you have to bear the effect of it. Expressed karma, anyways, you know. But suppressed karma, I feel like killing that fellow. That's it. Yaduktam yat krutam yat smrutam. And that unfulfilled desire will be in Swapna. Sushupti is a great state where your mind will be sleeping. Indriyas anyways at rest. And you will be enjoying this silent Rasalila, the duet between Supreme and yourself. But still, that's not the highest state, because you are involved in that. You are no longer separated from these two, and you are no longer subject and object. Beyond that, you are not coming. You are not a witness. You are in that. But it is not expressible because mind is also sleeping. Swapna you can express. Next day you will come and say, Guruji, I got this dream. What is the meaning of that? You ask. Because your mind is active. So, when you pray to Ganapati, Tvam avastatrayatitaha, he will take you Jagrata Avastha, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara. These activities are all under the influence of these three chakras. Swapna Avastha, even though the world is looking different for the mind, this is where the Swapna Avastha. Sushupti is beyond this. It's called Samayapu Ara, Samayachara. Meditation, deep involvement in thyself, but still you are not a witness. You are also involved, but enjoying the bliss. Enjoy. That word is there in the Sushupti. But in the Turiya, you are beyond that joy. You are just witnessing the oneness of this. That is where the triangle comes. And the Turiya is the Bindu. Bindu Darpan Santushta Purvaja Tripurambika is that avastha, that state of mind the Upasaka should reach. That is mentioned in the Lalita Sahasranam. Now, Tvam Dehatrayatitaha, that's the last word for today. Unfortunately, my timer has already shown me 5 more minutes. So, Dehatrayatitaha. Everybody has got 3 dehas. What are they? The physical body, Sthula Deha, the subtle body, Sukshma Deha, and the causal body, Karana Deha. Everybody knows. Here also, I should focus not on the Sthula Deha at all, but I need to maintain this, because this is the instrument which gives me an opportunity to focus on Sukshma Deha, and at one point I may realize the Karana Deha, the great reason for the existence of the power in this instrument. So that's why whatever minimum is required, that's my. You don't need to do exercise to build up the body, 6-pack body. No necessity. Build up a Vishwarupam to this Vamana, the small Sukshma Rupam. Make it bigger and bigger and bigger. More japam. More and more japam. More japam. More being in silence will reduce this physical body. That's why most of the great upasakas living in Himalayas, we met some Avadhutas and Aghoris. Their body structure will be, I don't know whether you have seen in a very thin, skinny structure but they have abundant energy. Sthula Deha will come down, but Sukshma Deha will grow. That is called Vishwarupam. This Vamana will grow. And that is possible only through Japam and silence. Na karmana na praja. Na praja is almost, there is no people around me. Only one thing, I am wedded to only God. That's also company, but I am wedded to that universal consciousness. There is no praja for me. I have a family, I have a relation, I have world, but still nothing affects me because of my japam. I am continuously connected to God. Na karmana, my mind is silent. Many people, Thursday, Maunavratam, but they have a big notebook. Coffee, they show. Because they are not talking. And then ask the children not to make sounds. Maunavratam. This is Maunavratam? No. Na karmana, na praja, na karmana is the real silence. And that's what is required. So the Sthula Rupa is the physical body which you need to take care and maintain that with sattvic food. About the Sukshma Rupa, we are going to take up tomorrow. So we'll meet you tomorrow, 6 p.m. Sri Matram.